Jimo, a year will say, or him will be na a safe for Numna. I am the Kuomo and Sana, a deposit on mine, the Casa made on. Eh? You heard me right. You Kuomo, and you do good. Automatic car. We all drive automatic car. Automatic cars, Mr. Happy. Yes, they go automatic cars. Maybe if you can't almost saying because car and then accident. Mamma Chlo.
Mwamu PSC na natsili aka fire lady eni mbeji mekunya ne saade ye oja bonsin mabieja eye bokọ de ana me de ato form de amama hwefo eni metiefo nyina ganafo hyiache mu nyina. I hope say nyame adom wasori ya di pabi achime ambeje kunya de na wonso a wo hwe me a wutie me soso wo ho eye ene nsembe na me ba beje mu edi agu ho ede amamo ne nsembe na agi atesi e wo social media so ne trending issues amba bebi eja amamo ne de ne nhedanye eja ne sai wo se ya rehosem kakra ye wo hwa ne beti nsem. That was 2018 yeti say yinua ba Ebony akwakonya accident na an accident ne etwe ni sensem bi efri etwe ede e ba pam show mo subscribe channel na mam na mo share videos in across all the social media platforms so ever emma me sa na emu odin yie pa. Then keep your comments coming me ban so me ready ede amam fefefe na mo like page you know say what you say ede amam na University so number ne dash queen so University Foundation esin energy ejanka ho mo bru efo opeke kwen number na woni no ede nkomo ni emu odin yie pa ensembe na ene eda epono so ne nsema eda epono say Ebony papa aba abonten after ne ba no ewuo no 2018 wono papa na ba abonten ese ne ba no enye owu bia na owu ye no wanya car accident na ye nipa boni ni omo sheda pa no mku ye ne ba no yie enom de ne ebehye car nim no ne driver no enyina ne ababawa correct academic school ono so eye past student ono so ewu ekan ye Ebony ehono ene eye soja ni so ana otewe ne bodyguard ni so buye na driver ne de onyaneti edidi mu yie nti bibi nti na ma driver no enyaneti edidi mu yie mo mienko na mienko ti eye nsem na nkasa enfree eye ye papa enchen obi no maduro ema yarefo mo mienko ema
ama Clarence say eye driver no na as at the time na no work na hima no na the driver's license in yadwuma and you charging or reckless or whatever driving into no mo de ko nsuta honum. You told me into because well but that time since that time no there nobody said anything into be nim there ko and I expect the media to be very vibrant to be very active and vibrant on this issue if it's okay because especially woman or more frame bisa me say ya de na hima driver no court near the ade no they had the guts to inform me about that but as to what is happening and as to what happened afterwards no I'm in PV2 I haven't been told nothing and so na ya be say obi chem say case no ko you know ekwa you dey na ya kire me it's so unfortunate if you ask me because omukro ya mami hu dia koduru. Because I haven't been clear on that. I've always said that, and I shall always say so. So still, I believe strongly that Nana was well orchestrated. Oh yes, and it is true too. And I'm a one I made them because you know what say you true no. I know na yana Ghana for Ghana for say there. Oh, among tiasia say what say you true. Na Ghana for say dey ba deport na we dey car because accident is see money fee. Yes. Based on the investigation now mo here, you know. And what I was told. Say I catch up me just so way too clear but me be catch what I was told. Report they say ya bibi mu no driver no wanye mistake bia ono so we lucky na or survive we. That was what the end product no this is what it contained. Say driver there we can't charge the driver for nothing. Why? Because he did not do anything. Until I was surprised to say actually no radio station me friend come say boy no I feel na friend say Evas Attorney General de omo report about say boy no na on kita driver's license. So I ask the investigation earlier no. Didn't they know? And I might miss I'm verify and who say side driver na the license here adwuma na no obi na no onibi. Didn't they check that to conclude and get me the final report to say? Can you imagine that? Tell you. And it's a kind of force say ya me do ma say but omunya ma me etu ayonku a etu ewie. Say police in your investigation me to see ya me to way. Na me de me kai ya kwa kopim obi a first thing they will ask me driver's license. No two ways about that because when who say who can say ukaka ansana that will be the first question. And if you are sent to court now I believe strongly it's going to be the first question. Say who qualified to drive. Now our license and so be it. And I don't know police for the catch them say na investigation ni wie no. Ma meeting wa na me ne office no mo handle ayi ne ma me. Na me ba fi am be hwe mu no cha say ya wie investigation e wie no. Truly that bala any mistake. Ono so go nyame na boa no na odi hu fofie kan yeso be hwe ne kwa. And he was only lucky.
Into why so we again say plan for.
Me da me fi me da sa na me hu no because still me hu ni say na him we no atade adesha no on say almost say narrative no say ka de sama so to ni ade na moja ni na tade ni mu I've always said this I want to google about moja ni msa obi a was wonya cut no that much obi tika ni mu ka na collide ye no obi ti mu say there be police for investigation no o ba bi o che na chiri so o mu frɛ na Obeba yes Obeba abeka no nemo no bebe na driver ni fi ba no there was nothing to suggest to him say na on na why driver na bibisa tell you he said it's on record, it's on tape.
Driver don't know free a fool no know what
I wasn't there, how would I know? But they know eyewitness don't know so what bus no what's it okay plane plane fan can say yes or China Chikwan say in case they would need his inputter, he'll be very available to give a side of the story. But on the officer, baby, not driver no. Any circumstance been no say.
It is a metewasia car no any accident there, some assault here no.
Say almost no. Say some assault here no.
Would you say? What you know, a year will say, or him will be na a chef for no. I
could almost answer a deposit in the car. You heard me right.
You cool and you do move
automatic car. We all drive automatic cars. Automatic cars, Mr. Happy. Yes, like automatic cars. Maybe
almost saying because car and an accident.
Mamma Chow. Car qua investigations no omo say na car na kwa. Now you listen and listen good.
Me too pa.
Automatic now can automatic. So pack automatic. Now the shop pack.
Brahma can also mama.
What the shop pack? A genesis so. And you move with the shop driver. A no be anti. Especially baby it depends where it is. Yes. What up have to na fashion driveway. Na fa usaka kakra yes relator no because it will be driving to be going tell you see because eyewitness no more kasa no they are saying something somebody should listen to them somebody should hear them talk this is what it is I expect somebody out there to be very keen about what somebody saying out there say yeah broach it out and ke be who the bottom of it and ke never so as it were you better it's so unfortunate that I'm still not convinced. Why? Because the circumstance surrounding the whole thing no mind boggling if you ask me.
And to sabi me ti ase year wo tell say ye kuma omo miensa ni nyina sa na ho pa kire
kana me pa kire
and the driver no spark car no
me car driver sem
so obi spark car no
driver no car no na ohia is a question just say almost my so be it but driver we no oh na woman nya nipa wu na daba say ayi kakra bi yes he can be very lucky e see da bia but say abofu hwehwe niam bi o ye nipa o niam bi na edo tutu
eto pacha so wo bu free sunya na ba na ye cross o abo na sadai
sa na tie tell me who
ye cross o abo na
they say they were killed before they were put into that goddamn car for the car to drive.
Mesan amahefo ni etifo nyina akwaba sonko biom ediba attention TV so ne mua masuma mokotie ne ye papa e kan edifa ne ba no ewu ho ya reho ye pa nso ye be ne den enya aba na kopon se ewu ekita nkwa intime enyi de bia na ye mpemfo nsema omuka eno na Christopher nso nsema ya omuka ne se Awurade na no de ma ono asoso a na oje abusua ni nyina enhye edin Ghana fo nyina mema mo hyedin pa na ye hwrade o 2018 mu ye pa makra mo da se ne yesa mehwe wo attention TV so bi